true, the old wives' tale, that you should really plant 4 seeds to be able to get 1 plant, because they say that 1 is going to be eaten by the birds, 1 may just kind of wither away and die, 1 could be eaten by rats or blown away somewhere, and then 1 that'll actually be there and it'll grow.
So there is truth to that, because it all makes sense, but I've been doing this for 14 years, and honestly I'm lucky enough to say that with Frankie Cementi and Linda's original seeds, which is basically we use these seeds to create these, I've only ever used 1 seed. I've only ever had to use 1 seed. I've just, I've never actually had that experience because I use this brand. And that's actually why I went for this brand, because I had a whole lot of seeds from all over the world, and these performed the best.
And of course the nice thing about these ones is fewer in here than there are in the big packs, which is absolutely brilliant for home gardens, and even growing in a pot, because as she always says, you can grow anything in a pot.
Absolutely.
Except a Linda.
And a Mel.